Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today, we are here to honor the incredible bond between parents and the kids. Let's take this opportunity to hear about their special relationship and the impact parents have on their child's life.
I think the first would be her sincerity, a sense of responsibility, which amazes me. She has spent so many years raising me up with her values. I think that is incredible. Something to die for, I think. I think the fact that he is very real. I have never seen him put up a mask before people at any point of time. I think he's very real and he says what he feels, what he has in his heart, and that is something. I think that is a learning lesson. I mean, something that you can pick up from your father. I think every moment that I have had with my mom is incredible. And but I think there is one particular moment which I really cherish, and that is a moment that we had in a green room just before my dance performance. My mother happens to be a senior Kathakali artist, and I also tried to, follow her footsteps. And that way, she ended up in the green room just before my performance, and we just struck a pose, and we have a photo together. So that is something that is really special. Okay, so I think I will have the same sort of answer, Baba. You are so hardworking. I have like been there with you, and I have seen you, take this journey from the time when you had to struggle a lot to the time that to today's time. I think when we are sitting here, when you are sort of successful, when your life is sort of sorted, the fact that I have grown up and you have supported me not only financially, a father's duty does not end there, right? So I think his support, even emotionally, like a father is always like the strongest pillar and like the umbrella. So I think he has done his bit more than it was expected from him.
Thank you for sharing your heartful stories and insights with us today.
Thank you so much. We had a splendid time sharing the bond that we shared. So thanks to Kevin. Yes, thanks to the entire creative team. Thank you so much all for coming to our house today. Thank you.
Her words truly highlight the profound impact that parents have on shaping our lives. As we celebrate National Parents' Day, let's remember to cherish and appreciate our parents every day.